Steve at USA Performance Parts. I want to show you our new line of Molnar Gen 3 late model Hemi crankshafts, rods and piston assemblies. We have the complete rotating assembly balanced for you. We start with the Molnar, this is a 3900 stroke crank, great for the turbo guys. They tend to like the shorter strokes. This comes with either a 2-inch rod journal or a 2-100. The 2-100 being a little stronger, the 2 inches for the guys that are twisting them a little harder, and also makes it easier for the piston squirters to clear with that. These have all lightened rod journals, but a very good heavy-duty crankshaft for the turbo applications. This will handle in the range of 1400 horsepower plus, so it'll handle most anything we're going to run into. This is the 4050 stroke crank. They're also available in a 4080 stroke. This is probably the most popular normally aspirated crank, and even some of the supercharged. This comes with a 2-inch rod journal on it. Again, has the lightened rod journal. All of these come with the reluctor wheel of your choice for the early or the late model, and these will fit in the 5.7, the 6.1, and even the 6.4 liter engines. For rods, we use the standard Molnar rod in it. This is a great H-beam rod, very strong, has ARP 2000 bolts in it. They're a proprietary bolt with an asymmetrical thread and an extended grip length so that you don't have bolt breakage problems. Now, for the guys with the turbocharged, we have another option with the Molnar. They have their heavy-duty XD extreme duty turbo rods. This has a thicker cross section through the beam and a thicker H-fins on it. So it's a great upgrade, and it's not a real expensive upgrade either. And this rod will handle upwards of well over 1500 horsepower. For the guys wanting a little better rod yet, we use the Carrillo I-beam rod in these, a great American-made rod. They have their famous WMC bolt in it, which is a lot stronger than the ARP 2000, so it'll handle any kind of horsepower you're going to give it, anything that you can do in a Hemi. These are available with the 2-inch rod journal, and also for the 2-100 rod journal. So you've got a good choice there. Pistons in these. This is a CP-Carrillo piston, great 2618 material forged. This is a dished turbo supercharged piston. Has great 1.5, 3 millimeter ring lands. Has the CP cut in it just above the top ring, so that under boost pressure it won't try and pinch the ring. It's an inboard forging for strength and for lighter weight. It has the double piston oilers in it and the groove for it. These will handle any kind of power, well up to 20-some pounds of boost, so they're going to be pretty damn good. We've got the ring packages. This is a 1.5, 3 millimeter. We use a 1.5 nitrided steel top ring, great for the boosted applications. We use a Napier cast iron second ring in it, which some of them call a hook ring, great for oil control. And then we use the 3 millimeter oil ring in it, which is nice, lightweight, and still seals very, very well. The lighter ring packages really help at high RPM. You don't get the ring flutter out of it. Plus, it makes the whole piston and rotating assembly lighter yet. Now, this is one of our new. This is a Molnar. This is a Billet, 100% Billet crank. This started out as just a huge piece of round stock, and this is a crankshaft. This is for the guys wanting to make 2,000 horsepower plus, well over that. again, they have the light and rod journals, but it's strictly a heavy duty crankshaft for the guys with the big boost. So we do have that in stock also. For anything that you're going to need in the boosted applications. We keep all this stuff in stock. Um, if you need any, got any questions or need anything to order, just give me a call, 704-397-7979, or on the web at usaperform.com.